Aristotle's philosophy begins with a simple but powerful idea. To understand the world, we must observe it carefully. Unlike Plato, who looked to a realm of perfect forms beyond the senses, Aristotle believed knowledge starts here, in the real world around us. He studied biology, politics, ethics, logic, poetry, and even the structure of arguments, trying to explain how things work and why they matter. At the center of his thought is the belief that everything has a purpose, or an end goal. A seed aims to become a tree. An eye exists to see. Human beings, Aristotle said, aim at flourishing, which he called eudaimonia. This does not mean pleasure alone. It means living well, developing virtue, and using reason to fulfill our nature. For Aristotle, happiness is not a feeling that comes and goes. It is a way of living. He also believed virtue is a habit. We become courageous by practicing courage, generous by practicing generosity, and self-controlled by practicing restraint. But virtue is not found in extremes. Aristotle's famous golden mean teaches that moral excellence lies between too much and too little. Courage stands between recklessness and cowardice. Generosity stands between wastefulness and stinginess. In logic, Aristotle created one of the first formal systems of reasoning. He showed how arguments can be tested for validity, helping shape philosophy, science, and education for centuries. His influence reached medieval thinkers, Islamic philosophers, and modern universities. Even today, when we ask what something is for or how to live well, we are still asking Aristotle's questions. Aristotle's philosophy endures because it is practical. It does not ask us to escape the world, but to understand it, improve ourselves, and find purpose through reason, character, and action. Hey there, thanks for tuning in. If you're finding this content helpful and want more tips, tricks, and insights, be sure to hit that like button. Your support really helps us grow and reach more people like you who are eager to learn and discover new things. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our latest videos and never miss out on any valuable content. Plus, it helps build our community of learners and creators. With each subscription, we receive more motivation to continue delivering high-quality content designed just for you. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, and join us on this journey. We're excited to have you with us and can't wait to see where this adventure takes us together. Thanks for being a part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video.